Hi guys, I'm here with another unboxing from Steve's Leaves. I actually have a follow-up from the last time I did an unboxing where the Scindapsus pictus siberian was had some cold damage on it. So I actually contacted Steve's Leaves and they gave me the option of getting a replacement when they had some in stock or getting credit for that plant. So I went ahead and got the credit, which was about $22.99 with shipping included. So I went ahead and I ordered a new plant recently. It wasn't the exact one I wanted, but this one should be cute too. We'll see. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's a really long package. Let's see if it fits the frame. Open. So let's see what we got here. So there's a little packaging slip. So it was wrapped by Tammy and boxed by Brittany. And it was shipped via FedEx. Here we go. I really like the way that Steve's Leaves packages their plants. They actually didn't use a heat pack this time. Again, a little card with instructions. So here we go. I got the Syngonium Podophyllum Reverted green mix, which includes the jade, alvo, and actually I don't need this. There was one more. I forgot which one it is. Oh, mottled. So, a little bit of dirt, not too bad. Check that out. Very green. So these will grow. Ooh, the leaves are huge. Okay, it's very, very green. They said that you usually can see a little bit of lost variegation, but I actually, yeah, very, very like subtle. But these are supposed to be really vigorous growers because of all the extra chlorophyll it has. Wow, this plant is going to be big. It's already pretty big. So here we go. Yeah, they're usually good at packaging it. So this plastic holds all the dirt in. So if you want to see the other unboxing, I'm going to link it down below. You can see the other plants that I got last time. Let's open this up. Go. So they wrap it in the plastic, and then they have a wet paper towel to keep the soil moist. This is, I think, maybe a 3-inch pot. And I've had no problems with the last plants that I've received. The last couple plants, I didn't have any fungus gnats compared to some other sellers I've bought from. I would get like after 2 weeks, I'll see fungus gnats flying out. But usually with Steve's Leaves, I haven't seen anything. But look at those leaves. Look how big they are. This is going to be a big plant. Yeah, I actually wanted the jade, which has has more white to it. But obviously this is, granted, this is all the reverted ones, so this is going to be very green. Whew, such a big leaf. Check out Steve's Leaves. Check out my other videos too. Bye.